Hi everyone, welcome back on Elite Coder. So today we are going to learn what is automation. Automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. As per this definition, we can take the advantage of automation in various areas. First is RPA, Robotic Process Automation. So this is a technology that uses software robots or bots to automate repetitive rule-based tasks previously performed by humans. This type of the automation can be helpful in various departments such as finance, HR, customer service or IT. And these all the benefits we can have with this RPA. We can improve the employee morale, productivity, reliability. There will be low technical barriers and there will be high accuracy. Second is industrial automation. Industrial automation refers the use of control systems to handle different processes and machinery in an industry to replace human involvement with machinery and equipments. Now, the key components of industrial automation could include sensors, actuators, control systems, and many more. So, these devices are used to measure the physical quantities such as temperature, pressure, flow, and others. Next is home automation, that is also known as a smart home technology. It involves automatic household. Then we have a business process automation that involves automating entire business process to improve efficiency, reduce cost, or minimizing the errors. This can include automating the workflows, document management, and decision-making processes. Then comes widely used IT automation that involves tasks such as server provisioning, software deployment, configuring management, system monitoring. Then we have cognitive automation. So what is it? The utilization of AI technologies like machine learning, natural language processing to automate the tasks that required human-like abilities such as data analysis, decision making, and customer services. This is called cognitive automation. All in all, it involves machine learning, NLP or AI technologies to automate the task. And last is automation testing. It involves the testing of software applications to improve testing efficiency, reduce manual efforts, and increase the test coverage. So this is the basic automation type we could have in real world. In next video, we will be covering IT automation that can be achieved in Golang as well. To stay updated on the latest trends and innovation, don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive notification so you never miss out on our future videos. Stay tuned.